Hello, everyone, and welcome to Echo Talk Studio podcast, where learning English is simple, fun, and super friendly. I'm your host, Lila.
And I'm Majnu. Hello, Lila. Hello, everyone watching and listening. We're so happy to have you here again.
Nice to see you, Majnu. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. A little hungry, but great. How about you, Lila? You look fresh and excited today.
Yes, I'm excited because today's topic is very, very useful. A topic everyone can use every day.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is perfect for English learners.
But before we begin, everyone listening, please subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, your support helps us grow and helps more people learn English. Thank you so much.
So, Majnu, tell everyone, what is our topic today?
Today's topic is daily routine. Yes, how to talk about your normal day in simple English.
Exactly. People ask these questions in school, jobs, interviews, new friends, everywhere.
Yes, and many people don't know what to say. But don't worry, Lila and I will make it super easy.
Let's start with the morning. Majnu, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes 7:30, sometimes 8. Sometimes, okay, mostly late.
I knew it. You don't like waking up early, right?
Not at all. I love sleep. What about you, Lila? Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early, around 6 a.m. I like to start my day calmly.
Wow, you are so disciplined. So what do you do after waking up?
First, I stretch a little, then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink warm water.
Warm water? Why warm?
Because it makes me feel fresh. You should try it.
Maybe. My morning is a little different. I wake up, I look at the ceiling, and I think, why am I awake? I want more sleep.
Very honest. After that, I make breakfast, usually eggs or oatmeal.
I love breakfast. My favorite is an omelet with cheese.
Nice. Breakfast is a good topic when talking about your routine. You can say, I eat breakfast at 8. I drink tea in the morning. Simple and useful.
Yes. And don't forget verbs like eat, drink, cook, wash, get ready.
Majnu, what do you do after breakfast?
I get ready and go to work. I work in an office. I check emails, make calls, and meet clients.
Very busy. I study after breakfast. I read books, take online classes, and work on this podcast.
That's why you're always prepared. Students watching, you can say, I go to school, I attend classes, I study English.
Exactly.
In the afternoon, I take a lunch break. I eat simple food, usually rice and chicken.
Yummy. I sometimes eat sandwiches or salad. After lunch, I take a short walk.
Wow, very healthy. I take a nap, a very important nap.
A very long nap, I'm sure.
Yes, sometimes.
Evenings are my favorite. I relax, watch a show, or play with my cat.
I watch TV and sometimes cook dinner. I like cooking, but I also like ordering food.
You and food. Best friends forever.
Absolutely.
At night, I read a book or listen to music. Then I sleep at 11 p.m.
I sleep late. Sometimes 12, sometimes 1, sometimes 2.
Oh my God, that's not healthy.
I know. I will try to sleep early. One day.
Let's quickly teach some important daily routine words. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to school, go to work, study, cook, relax, sleep.
Yes. Use these words to describe your day.
Majnu, what part of your day do you like the most?
Dinner time. Obviously.
I knew that. I like the morning because it's peaceful.
What part of your day do you dislike?
I don't like traffic.
Me too. And I dislike waking up early.
Here is how you can describe your day. Hi, I'm Lila. I wake up at 6 a.m. I study in the morning. In the afternoon, I take a walk. At night, I read and sleep at 11.
Perfect. And here's mine. Hi, I'm Majnu. I wake up late. I work in an office. I like eating dinner and watching TV.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comments and write your daily routine.
Tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you work or study? What do you do at night? We will read your comments.
Thank you all for watching today's episode.
Yes, we had so much fun. And we hope you learned something new.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Echo Talk Studio. Your support means everything to us.
We will be back soon with another fun and helpful episode.
Goodbye, everyone.